Namaskar, Sujata here for News Plus Views. Today we are at the annual conference 2025 Lab to Life happening at the Orchid Hotel, Mumbai. And we have with us Dr. Parul Katia. She is the director of the art, and ma'am will be telling us about how exactly it is useful for the general public. Dr. Parul, ma'am.
Basically, our fertility clinic is a multinational or fertility unit, and we have centers all across the world. And we are well known to provide individualized and personalized treatment care to our patients. And also, here today we are trying to showcase the advancements in the field of ART and how we can provide the best-in-class treatment to the patients that can now be provided to the patients in India as well. Because ART fertility clinics has got 7 to 8 centers now, which are now fully functional, and we have already treated thousands of patients here with excellent success rates.
So, ma'am, there are different kinds of therapy. Can you tell us about stem cell therapy, or what is the therapy you think is useful for the general public?
See, stem cell therapy is not a therapy that can be said to be good for the general public. As of now, the current talk or discussion inside is about the role of stem cell therapy in patients undergoing infertility treatment, especially patients who have got poor ovarian reserve. And the conclusion that we draw is that it's not like stem cell therapy will probably increase the number of eggs. That is the common misconception amongst people. But these cells help to improve the angiogenesis and the blood flow to the ovaries. But we still do not have good concrete evidence that, and also the right protocol to offer stem cell therapy to patients undergoing infertility, especially for poor ovarian reserve. So whenever these therapies or treatments are discussed, we should always critically look into the available evidence as well as the potential benefits to these patients.
Thank you so much, Dr. Parul, for the useful information.
That's it.
Yes.